So this is a quick one. We're on a driving lesson and we're approaching a roundabout to go left, dual carriageway, 70 miles an hour. And I'm just flowing with the traffic in front of me because we're all slowing down gradually for the roundabout. It does get busy behind me, which you'll see in a few seconds. And I'm just going to stop it for a second while you see the lane markings. Left goes left, middle goes ahead, and right can go right or ahead only. And obviously I'm slowing down for traffic on my right and then making procedure. Now it's always wide on the exit and it narrows, and there's always a hatched area in the traffic in Milton Keynes. If we switch it round to the back, so as we're approaching the roundabout, and this is why it's important to be wary of what's happening behind you and at the side of you, because this develops pretty quickly. And pay attention to the blue Fiesta in the right lane. So everything's going slow at the moment. I'll slow it down so you can see things better. So there's a white car just shooting past. We're coming to the roundabout. Here comes your blue Fiesta in the right lane, indicating to change lanes on the roundabout. That red car, I don't know what they were thinking, overtaking me on a bend with cars coming towards us at the same time and swerves back in. Now, that was pretty crazy. And what makes it even more silly is the next 5 seconds, that blue car is going to turn left into an estate to slow down and give way somewhere. Craziness. The best thing to do at a point would be to go round the roundabout, do fifth exit, do a loop to come back to be safe if you find yourself in the wrong lane.